Main markets. easyJet continued to expand its presence across Europe in order to achieve its vision of turning Europe orange. Ownership structure. easyJet's board of directors and executive management team conduct its business according to the current rules and policies in order to maintain a high level of corporate governance. The company's major products and services include the following. Competitors. easyJet's biggest competitor in Europe is Ryanair, while Flybe and British Airways are next in line. Key resources and technologies. Processes. Low-cost philosophy lies at the core of the company's business model. Although this structure is based on the business model of Southwest Airlines, easyJet was one of the first companies to introduce this innovation in Europe. Sales and distribution. easyJet pioneered ticketless and internet booking in 1998. The internet-based ticket purchase allows easyJet to reduce its service costs, such as distribution costs, issuing costs, and processing tickets, and eliminates the need for all call centers. Efficient use of airports. In 2000, easyJet set an objective to reduce the company's aircraft average turnaround time from 50 minutes to 25, which it achieved through the following techniques: free seating, minimizing the use of air bridges, avoiding the use of motorized subs, and loading catering only twice per day. This approach was duplicated from Southwest Airlines and further modified by easyJet. Aircraft utilization. The company uses the same aircraft model, reducing unnecessary costs of retraining its staff and employing a higher number of professionals. Although the concept of simple fleet was duplicated from Southwest Airlines, the company maintains its competitive advantage over others due to the concept of high seat density introduced and developed internally by the company. easyJet's innovation can be divided into four main sectors: safety, efficiency and cost management, customer service, and distribution. easyJet is the first airline to utilize a head-up guidance system in the cockpit, which increases safety, improves operations, and overall enhances its fleet's performance. In 2010, easyJet planned to test the airborne volcanic object identifier and detector, AVOID, which was designed by Norway's Institute for Air Research. The idea behind AVOID is that by placing infrared technology on an aircraft, the pilot and the flight control center can spot an ash cloud up to 100 kilometers ahead and at altitudes of between 5,000 feet and 50,000 feet. easyJet is now completely embedded with the Safety Management System (SMS), which was launched in early 2009. In 2010, a new IT system to improve the rostering of easyJet's cabin crew was introduced and is expected to enhance the productivity. By January 2011, easyJet owned 3 types of aircrafts. This allowed it to operate a modern fleet compared to its competitors, leading to better efficiency and a higher number of passengers. easyJet increased its fuel efficiency both on the ground and in the air by reducing turnaround time using new aircraft models, flying more passengers per flight, and modifying the infrastructure of the airport. By launching easyjet.com, easyJet was the first airline to cut out agents and innovate the booking system, enabling customers to change their booking details online. Social media was introduced to the airline industry by easyJet and has allowed easyJet to gain a competitive edge over its major competitor Ryanair. easyJet holidays marked the end of conventional travel packages in Europe. It allowed customers to combine flights to 298 routes and above 10,000 hotels across Europe to customize their own travel packages. easyJet provides an innovative paid service to its customers by offering beverages and food that is based on regional tastes and preferences. easyJet announced a deal with Business Travel International, UK's leading travel management company. easyJet signed deals with Amadeus and Galileo, part of the Travelport Global Distribution Systems, in order to target the European corporate market. easyJet is working with various organizations to develop a fatigue risk management system which improves performance of pilots and crew based on workloads and operational variables. The easyJet EcoJet will allow easyJet to further implement its environmental goals while also increasing fuel efficiency and decreasing costs. The IT Central Systems is a centralized department at easyJet that is responsible for managing the R&D efforts of the company. easyJet is a fast follower, borrowing its business model from Southwest Airlines. The type of technological innovation at easyJet is mainly incremental, and innovation expenditure is concentrated on operations. Most projects that easyJet undertakes are low risk. Therefore, we can conclude that easyJet has a reactive innovation strategy. Challenges for easyJet include increasingly high fuel costs. Next, meeting deadlines and expectations for the EcoJet is also of concern, as lots of resources have been dedicated to this very innovative idea that could change the industry dramatically. Lastly, a safety or security event that may tarnish the brand image for years to come. In terms of the opportunities, easyJet recently acquired new aircraft, allowing easyJet to grow steadily while meeting its environmental objectives. The volcanic ash detection system will allow easyJet to operate flights even during an ash cloud, which cost easyJet millions last year. Moreover, in order to achieve its vision of turning Europe orange, easyJet will operate in new markets, destinations, and frequencies, which is in its grasp due to its acquisition of new aircraft. Although easyJet is very active on Facebook, its goal is to let customers book tickets via this social network.
Dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly